Hello everyone. I hope you will well. Today we will discuss about the Facebook ads, the very important and very measurable things about what placement is very much good performance about the Facebook ads. Because Facebook has the many placement about the 24 or 23 placement about, but and every placement and not working. So one or two placement is very much important, and one or two placement come to the good result. So which placement is very much good about our product, our service. So that is the cosmetics product, the ladies cosmetics. So we can just measure about the last 30 days. So we just see this campaign, about this campaign, the setting spray. So just look at that. There is a two ad set here, the custom audience and the save audience, and the major our result come the custom audience, the 43 results. So we can see that this kind of ad, and just go to the ad section. We can see that the one ad here, and we can just click the background, and we just first of all we just see the age, what kind of age group of people mostly purchase this product. So we can see that our 18 to 24 age group of people purchase only the seven products, and the most selling age group years, the 25 to 44. This age group people as the most of important, this age group of people, the most of important and most conventional purchase behavior. So this product, and also see that the 45 to 64 behavior age group of people purchase a little bit. But and next we just see that our placement. So just click the placement and see that we can select the all placement, like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and network also. So just see that their network audience, there is no result here, and we can maximum result come to the Facebook Reels, the in-app is mobile version, and there they come to the 26 result come to here, and the Facebook feed, our feed also. So that is come to the 12 result, and also see that the Facebook search give me the one result, and the Facebook feed, the Instagram feed give me the one result. So we can see that the many so most of the people purchase our product only two placement. There is a Facebook Reels and the Facebook feed. So we can so you can definitely try this kind of placement on your next on your next ad, and we can select that as group and select this placement. And finally we just go to our campaign inside, and we can try to see how do I set up that. So first of all we just go to the custom audience, and we just see that we can create select the website version, and select the maximum number of conversion, select the pixel, and select the purchase, and we can select the cost per result goal only $2, and just go to the section, the location is Bangladesh, and the age group is 18 to 65, and we can select the all kind of custom audience, like Lookalike audience, our video views audience, the next the previous campaign videos, the all kind of custom audience we can prefer that. And next we can select the our placement. So that's let's see that we can select the mobile version and desktop version is both, and there is a all kind of device, not only Android, not only iOS. And we can see that the placement, the Facebook placement in Instagram, the Facebook network, and Messenger, so all kind of placement we use. And just go to the ads section. We just select our Facebook page, our Instagram profile, and we can select the single image or video. We can just put down the videos here, and select the our landing page also, and display link also use the Messenger. And we just put down our video, give me some primary text or headline here on Facebook. And finally we just select our pixel, and also we can use the parameter also, because we can send the data Google Analytics for, so measure our all kind of performance. So that is our one ad set strategy, that is the custom audience. And the second is the save audience. We can click the save audience also. We can definitely overall is same, and we just go to our audience section. We can select the many kind of audience here, the interest base, the behavior base, the demographic base, so all kind of audience we can use the school going people, the university going people, the interest in beauty soap, the skincare, the job holder, etc. The engaged shopper. Also, we can try the many kind of things, and we can see that uh, we use the mobile version and desktop version also, and the placement is we use the all kind of placement, not only manual placement, all kind of placement we can. So just go to the ad section. We can select our Facebook page and Instagram page, and just select our video and select our landing page, and finally we can select our pixel and use our UTM parameter because we can send data on Google Analytics 4. So that is the overall structure about the Facebook page and how you can try to how to set up as a perfect Facebook campaigns or sales campaign, and when kind and what kind of placement and what kind of age group of people you can select that, and your next campaign you can definitely try it. So I hope you can understand what I tried to say, and so you can any issue we can just knock me on my WhatsApp or our Facebook. So let's see the next video. Thank you.